Okay, this is called grasp reflex.
ចឹងយើងចាប់ជិតចដៃគឺបើថាយើងចាប់របស់អីគឺយើងប្រើដៃហ្នឹងឲ្យរឹងមាំចាប់របស់
It's to help the hand learn to grab and pull.
ដើម្បីនេះគឺរៀនឲ្យចាប់ហើយទាញមក
So you put the elbow close to the body like this.
យើងដាក់កូចដៃនៅក្រោមចឹងមកជិតខ្លួនចឹងមក
Put your thumb in his hand like this.
ហើយដាក់មេដៃយើងនៅកណ្ដាលចឹងមកដៃកាន់ចឹងមក
Close his fingers over like this and put his thumb over like this.
បិទចឹងមកហើយហ្នឹងហើយអូខេ
Yeah. And then you pull up while you're counting 7.
យើងត្រូវកាត់ទាញនឹងលើមក
3, 4, 5, 6, 7 until his arm is straight.
យើងទាញរហូតមកដល់ដៃយើងត្រង់លើមក
And then you tell him to pull down, but you resist him a little bit. You don't let him pull quickly. You pull this way, and you tell him to pull down.
អញ្ចឹងយើងប្រាប់ឲ្យក្មេងហ្នឹងទាញទៅវាទាញទៅក្រោមហើយយើងទាញមកលើហើយកុំឲ្យទាញខ្លាំងមែនទេទាញឡងតិចមកក្រោមមក
You ready? Pull. Good. And then you do it. You let this arm rest, and you do it with the other one. Put your thumb in. Fingers over. Hold it. Pull up in 7 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now pull.
Good job.
And you do it. Then you go back to this one.
ចឹងយើងទៅរកតនោះវិញធ្វើដូចគ្នាអញ្ចឹង
You do this one 5 times and this one 5 times.
ចឹងធ្វើមួយខាងហ្នឹង5ដងបាទ
So hold, hands over like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now pull. Pull.
ទាញ
And while he's pulling, you make it hard for him. You resist him so that he has to pull extra
ដល់
hard.
ពេលដែលវាទាញក្មេងហ្នឹងទាញដៃចុះមកក្រោមយើងក៏ទាញនឹងលើដែរដើម្បីកុំឲ្យវាគឺបដោយឲ្យចុះមកក្រោមដោយស្រួល
So you do one hand, then the other, then the other, then the
អ
other.
ញ្ចឹងយើងឆ្លាស់គ្នាមកខាងនេះមួយខាងនោះមួយរហូតដល់5ដង